As you all would know, how hard to maintain silver vessels, because they become black and it's very difficult to retain their shine. In today's video, I'm going to share a very simple and easy way to clean and get the sparkles back. So let's get started.
Take a silver vessel. It has to be strictly silver because other vessels it will change the color, and fill it with water. Then add all the puja vessels. The puja vessels need to get immersed in the water, so accordingly you have to fill the water. Now add 3 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda. If the puja vessels are more, then you can add 2 more teaspoons. Turn on the gas and bring it to boil. Once it has started getting boiled, add 3 balls made out of silver foil. I used 3 to 4 sheets of foil to make these balls. Add these balls to the water, let it boil for 20 to 30 minutes. After putting these balls, the water may get boiled too fast and there are chances of spilling over. So keep it in medium to high flame. Keep stirring occasionally so that it will not spill over. After 30 minutes, the silver foil balls would change their color and water also becomes black. At this stage, turn off the gas and keep a lid and let it sit for 1 hour. See how the water and the balls have become black. See, after 1 hour, the color of the ball has completely changed. It has become black. It has absorbed all the dirt. Now see the vessels, they have become clean and shine. If you want, you can brush them. Otherwise, rinse directly with water. I brushed it because some lines and corners, I had very mild dirt, so I had brushed it. Otherwise, there is no need to brush it also. I prefer wearing gloves because the water is really dirty. I do not want to, put my hands in the water directly. So that's why I have, worn gloves. If you want, you can wear. Otherwise, that's not a problem because that is not at all harsh. It just has, baking soda in the water. That's it. After washing thoroughly with water, wipe it with a clean and soft cloth. If you regularly use, in puja, then use it. Otherwise, some vessels we take out only during big pujas like Diwali and all. So after the puja, wash them with dishwash liquid and wipe it. Then you can store them. What I have learnt is, we should not give these silver vessels to the polishers as they use harsh chemicals and the weightage of the silver also will get reduced. So isn't it better to use simple remedies like this at home rather than spending money and energy?
Hope you got to know the sparkling silver secret. I'm sure it will be very useful and easy to try. Try this and let me know your experience in comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.